Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting device that's been making waves in the world of home entertainment. The 2024 Signal Enhanced TV Antenna Indoor with a mind-blowing 600+ miles range. If you're tired of paying hefty cable bills and looking to enjoy high-quality HD and 4K content for free, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's dive right in. The 2024 Signal Enhanced TV Antenna boasts an impressive range of over 600 miles. This means you can enjoy crystal clear reception of your favorite local channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, and more without any subscription fees. Setting up this antenna is a breeze. You have multiple installation options, including wall mounting, adhesive sticks, or using the included 18 feet high-quality coaxial cable. You can place it on a table, hang it on a wall, or even use it both indoors and outdoors. For the best results, position it near a window or in a high location. Whether you have an older TV or a 4K smart TV, this antenna has you covered. It supports 720p, 1080i, 1080p, 2K, and even 4K HDR, ensuring you get an immersive visual experience. The antenna comes with an 18 feet high-performance coaxial cable made of top-quality copper wire. This ensures a stable and interference-free signal reception, compatible with all digital-ready devices. Your satisfaction is a priority, and the manufacturer offers a 90-day refund policy and a lifetime warranty. Plus, there's a dedicated 24/7 customer service team to assist you with any issues. So, there you have it, folks. The 2024 Signal Enhanced TV Antenna promises an impressive range, versatile installation options, and support for various resolutions, making it an enticing choice for cord cutters. However, as our user reviews have shown, results may vary depending on your location and setup. Before making a decision, be sure to consider your specific needs and expectations. If you've had experience with this antenna or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.